What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got some cool footage for you guys today. Auxito sent me this today. So they hit me up and they said, hey, we have this new product coming out. We have an electric air pump and we want you to test it out and put it on the channel and show your community about it. So I was like, hey, why the hell not? Let's get into it. This thing is super light and super small, so I can't wait to see exactly how it works.
All right, guys, so let's start unboxing this smart electric pump. Packaging's pretty sweet. I'm not gonna lie about that. Okay. This, got our directions, our manual, the system itself. Oh wow. So we have our charging ports, breather, pretty sweet. And now let's see what else we got in here for as extras. Okay, so we actually have our hose here that's going to connect to the valve stems, our charging cable, like a basketball inflator, something to, yeah, so these are all just different heads that they have to inflate different things, and then an actual carrying case for it too. So that's pretty sweet. They give you the full stop with this puppy. So overall, the entire kit is pretty sweet, guys. Honestly, it is clean. It looks great, and no joke, this is not big at all. I'm actually surprised of how much power this is going to put out, so I kind of want to see, because my other one that I have is much bigger. It runs on a huge battery. Yeah, I mean, again, this looks absolutely amazing. You could put this in your glove box and not have to worry about anything. So that's super cool. Super lightweight. I looked it up. It's about a pound. So super lightweight, pretty sweet. And then reading the diagrams and the instructions and whatnot, as you can see, there's a car mode here. The default air pressure is 35 psi, and you can adjust it from 2 to 65. The bicycle starts at 40 psi. And then, or that's motorcycle, I'm sorry. And then the bicycle goes to 38, ball goes to 8, and then you can make a custom mode up to 100 psi, and you can adjust it from 2 to 150. So if this thing can put out 150 pounds of pressure, that is amazing. So we're definitely gonna go put it to the test. Again, this thing looks pretty freaking sweet. I'm super excited. Let's see what you got, Auxito. So as for the buttons, it's obviously pretty self-explanatory, but you have a power button here, a plus, a minus to increase the air pressure, decrease the air pressure. This is actually an LED light here. So the LED light, when we turn this on, I'll show you, this has 3 different settings for that. And then this is your setting button to determine what exactly you're working on. So let's see, turn this on. Cool, okay. Needs a little bit of charge, it's orange, but let's see here. Let's hit this LED light here to show you. So there's that, a blinking, and then a red blinking, and then off. So pretty cool. And then all the different settings: car, motorcycle, bike, basketball, and then custom setting there. And then to shut it off, just hold it, and it's off. Pretty cool.
All right, guys, so we're gonna test out the new smart electric pump from Auxito. So I'm actually gonna test it on the bike and also on the car. Just to give you guys exactly, a time frame of how long it would take to fill something up. I went around and deflated each tire on the bike and the car at different amounts. I don't know exactly what I put them to. I just took a screwdriver, held it down on the valve stem, and we're gonna see exactly how much was out. And we're just basically gonna run this and see how well it holds up.
First things first, with the pump here, we have to peel off this clear protective lens. Ooh, nice and shiny, can't wait to scuff it up. And then what we're gonna do is actually grab our hose with our male port and our female port on the actual motor itself. We're gonna twist, and just like so. Don't judge me for my dirty wheels, please. I clean them every week, but since I lube up my chain, this typically happens a lot. So all you do is get it on the valve stem, and you're gonna screw it on, just like you're screwing anything else on there. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Oh, you hear it hit the valve stem, some air was released, and then it stops. Okay, so now we're gonna turn this on. You're gonna hold this power button for 3 seconds. Oh, sweet, okay. So it shows exactly how much PSI was in the back tire. Again, I deflated this. And then it tells us exactly what it's going to be pressured at, what we want to put in. So this is on the car mode right now. If you can see, it's a little dim there, but that's the car mode. How you can switch the modes is just by hitting this little corner button here. That's the motorcycle mode, regular bicycle mode, basketball or ball mode, and then that's the user mode, like preset that you can use. So that's the car. We're going to go on motorcycle. And we do not want to put 40 PSI in this back tire. Oh, we're going up. We want to go down. So we're going to go down. So max, it says 42 PSI. We're not going to be doing that. We're going to be doing 32. Okay, so let's see how long it takes. All you have to do is hit the power button. Cool. And then it automatically stops when it gets to the actual pressure that you want it at. And the battery was barely even used there. It's still full, it looks like, or there's like a little bit off of that. Again, it took about like 2 minutes for this whole thing to fill up from 21 PSI to 32 PSI, so not bad. All right, now let's work on the car wheel. All right, guys, so on this front wheel on the car, I brought it all the way down to 13.5, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna go through our settings here, get it all the way to the vehicle. 13.5, it says 35.5, we're gonna set it to. No, we're gonna set that also to 32. And then let's hit start and see how long it takes. All right, guys, so 32 took about 4 minutes from that low of a tire, 12 PSI to 32 PSI for a normal car tire. So, I mean, overall, it does pretty good. It fits in your glove box. It provides a punch, you know what I mean? It has so many different attributes to it. I would definitely say you need to pick one of these up, honestly. This really surprised me. So it's pretty wild, right? This is the one air compressor that I used to use before Auxito sent me this. And lugging this thing around was just too much, you know what I mean? Like, especially if I wanted to put it on the bike, I could put this I could put this Auxito right under the seat, the rear seat, and have it on there just in case, which is a super good application to have. With this, there's no way that that's fitting. I'd have to put this in a backpack or something, and then lugging this around and whatnot. And then, like, if I'm trying to go to, like, you know what I mean, a bar or whatever, like, come on, I can't bring this in. But this thing is just, it's amazing. It's small, it's durable, it's cheap, it's lightweight. I'm amazed, honestly. So overall, after testing this and checking this out and everything, again, how small it is and how light it is and where you can put this and just to keep this, I would say typically I would use this for daily application. So I would not be using this for a drift scenario or anything like that. I mean, again, it would work for it, but with the amount of times that I've had to like decrease or increase tire pressure and whatnot, I wouldn't use it for that. But dailying, 100%. I would leave this in my glove box, and just in case if I ever ran into a situation in the Z or on the bike or anything, 1000% I would carry this. I definitely give this the Z-Bruhz approval. Again, I won't put my name on this unless like I know for a fact that this would work. I 100% would pick one of these up, and which is super sick. Auxito's actually partnering up with us right now, and they're actually going to give you guys a super sick discount on this. Okay, so I'm going to put the discount in the description, and I'll put the link in the description for this too. With that being said, guys, quick, easy product review for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have not subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the button right there. And if you're looking for any additional content, just click one of the links here. In the meantime, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.